Do you know what are the biggest dams in the world according to the reservoir storage capacity? Let's find out. Number 10 is Robert Bourassa Dam, Canada. The dam is located on La Grande River, Canada. It has Robert Bourassa Reservoir with 61.7 billion cubic meters storage capacity. Number 9. Zia Dam, located on Zia River, Russia. The dam creates the Zia Reservoir, and its storage capacity is 68.42 billion cubic meters. Number 8 is Krasnoyarsk Dam. The dam is located in Russia. It has a 73.3 billion cubic meter reservoir capacity, and it covers 2,000 square kilometer of surface area. W.C. Bennett Dam is at number 7. The dam is located on Peace River, Canada. It has 74 billion cubic meters storage capacity, and it creates Williston Lake. Number 6 is Aswan High Dam. The dam is located on the Nile River, Egypt. This dam creates Lake Nasser, and it has 132 billion cubic meters of water storage capacity. Fifth world biggest dam is Gori Dam. It is located on Caroni River, Venezuela. The dam creates Guri Lake with 135 billion cubic meters of water storage capacity. Daniel Johnson Dam is at number 4. The dam is located on Manicouagan River, Canada. Through the dam, Canada creates Manicouagan Reservoir, and has 139.8 billion cubic meters of storage capacity. Number 3. Akosombo Dam, located on Volta River, Ghana. The dam creates Lake Volta with 144 billion cubic meters of water storage capacity. Lake Volta is the world's biggest surface area reservoir, which covers 8,500 square kilometers of surface area. The second biggest dam in the world is Bratsk Dam. The dam is built on Angara River, Russia. This creates 169.27 billion cubic meter water storage capacity. Kariba Dam is the world's biggest dam. The dam is located at Kariba Gorge, Zimbabwe. There is 185 billion cubic meters of water storage capacity in Lake Kariba. This covers 5,580 square kilometer of surface area. For more interesting videos, please like and follow our page.